welcome to our repair car team. Today I will show you our popular wholesale cordless table lamp P3DG model. Later I will show you more details. We mainly sell 7 colors. This one is sand brown. Why say it's sand? Because the surface is not very smooth, so we say it's sand, like the sand. This one is sand black. This one is our champion gold. This one is gold leaf. The surface light have a leaf, so we say it's a gold leaf. Silver leaf, matte white, and this is the gold color. Maybe some clients ask, there are so many suppliers can supply this design table lamp. How is the quality between your lamp and other supply lamp? Okay, here I will show you. Only one surface finish. Ours is different because we already test from markets and collect the information from market. And you can see this is our white is matte, and this white, when you up, you can see a little stripe, and ours is no stripe. So the stripe will look more plastic. How about other color? We take one black color. This one is ours. You can see the power cord is very finer, and this is others. You can see this we have some circle. No very finest power cord. You can take 2 to see closely. Okay, we pay more attention to the surface finish because the lamp it look better or not. The most important thing is the surface finish. Okay, that's all. If you have any question, don't forget to tell me. See you.